What's up guys, Erasable Sun here, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all how to fix your Fortnite voice chat in Chapter 2 Season 6 Fortnite. So, in case you're wondering, yes, I did make a video like this before, but obviously that's outdated. That was quite a few seasons ago, and obviously the quality wasn't the best. So in this updated tutorial I'll go a lot more in depth on how to fix it, show you what microphone is recommended, and just, you know, everything's gonna be a lot better in this updated tutorial. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm also going to split this video into sections for different consoles. So there's actually only going to be two sections. One is for PC users and the other is going to be for console users. So time marks or timestamps, whatever you call them, will be up on the screen right now. And yeah, you can skip to what bit you're using. Okay, so we are on section 1, which is the PC section. Console players, get out of here. No, seriously though. So we're going to do some settings in your control panel and also in Fortnite. So one thing I did forget to mention in my first tutorial is that you do need a physical headset with a physical mic. Okay, I can stop saying physical. But basically, you do need a headset with a microphone that's attachable on the end, or else you will not be able to talk. Or a microphone that you simply plug into your computer like this. You will need one of the two of them in order to talk. So first of all, guys, what you want to do is go over to your search bar and type up control panel. Click on it and then go to hardware and sound. Wait for the box to open, and now this should be open. Now what we're actually going to do with this is we're going to set our default device, so therefore Fortnite can then pick up the default device and therefore you'll be able to talk, hopefully. If not, then something might be wrong with your microphone. Then click recording, and as you can see, this should open, and if you can see green bars when you talk, that is your microphone. So you want to find out what microphone you're using by talking, and once you know what microphone you're using, for instance, I know this is my microphone, you're going to right click on it, set as default device, and set as default communication device. Now that is your default device. Open up Fortnite, then go to your settings, and then go to the music tab or audio tab, and then scroll down, and as you can see, these are my settings here. You want to on open mic. Now on the old tutorial there's a glitch with push to talk, but that doesn't really work now, so keep it on open mic. Now what we just did was all to make this the default input. So click this, make it default input. Voice chat output, if you can't hear anyone, put this on default output. And these settings here aren't really necessary. This voice chat notifications, if you want, if you want to see if you're actually talking, I would have this on. House party video chat integration, I don't even have that, so if you have it on or off, I don't really mind. I don't mind, but yeah. And then licensed audio, this doesn't really matter if you are a content creator. I'm pretty sure this blocks out, yeah. As you can see, if you are a content creator, you can select this option to avoid copyrighted music, basically. So if you're not a content creator, just keep this on play. And if you're a content creator, do one of the other settings. I don't really know about these. But yeah, these are my settings here. And hopefully this helped you fix your PC voice chat. If it didn't, then there might be something wrong with your microphone or something to do with your headphones. So make sure to try and see what's wrong with it. If not, then you might have to buy a new headset or microphone. But that's how you fix it on PC. Console players, I'm terribly sorry, but I don't really have too many ideas on how to fix it, but I'm gonna try anyway. So you can't really do much stuff, but except you can go to your settings, go to the audio tab, and then as you can see, these two settings won't be here for you as I'm on a PC. But basically, you want to put open mic, voice chat on, obviously. This doesn't matter here. Voice channel field match, keep this on. Voice chat notifications on. I'm not sure if this is on console, but if you want it on or off, just keep it on or off. But yeah, these are the console settings. And I'm going to get out my camera and show you another solution, console players. Okay, so as I said before, I don't really have much advice for console players, but I do have this one thing that I knew when I was a console player. So if you have a headset, I detached the mic, by the way, but if you have a headset, it might come with something a bit like this. This is like where you can turn up the volume, mute it, and unmute it. What you want to do, there should be like a little slider somewhere, like this. If my camera could focus, that would be good. Focus. So basically, if you turn it up, it could mute it, and then if you turn it down, it'll unmute it. Make sure you play around with this if you have it. So I try talking with it up, try talking with it down, because that might mute it or unmute it. And I'm terribly sorry, but that's the only advice I really have for console players. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if it helped. If it didn't help, tell me why. Some of the console advice might not work, as I don't really have any tips. So this video is mainly based on how to fix it on PC. But if you do have any problems, make sure to comment down below and I'll try to respond to you. And yeah, that's it from me, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!